Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this video, let's talk about EOS. This is one of the coin we have covered previously on the channel, but we don't usually do a lot of regular coverage on EOS. It's been a while since I have covered it, and so in this video I want to mainly talk about the longer term view on EOS based on the technical, and give you some perspective, some scenarios on how it might trade going into later part of 2018 and into 2019. Also, right now is September 2nd. It's about 9:45 a.m. Here in US Eastern time, and the market is have a minor slight pullback. EOS is trading at $5.63. Okay, so let's get it started. EOS had a really massive spike back in April. It went all the way from around $4 to $22 in really short. So it went up pretty too fast. Within 3 weeks it have double, more than double actually. It was trading at around $4 or $5, and then all of a sudden within 2-3 weeks it went to almost $22. So it had a massive spike. At that point it was quite overbought. So I expected some pullback, and we did have a nice pullback on it. Since then, it's been in a down channel. And now I'm pretty convinced that it is at the end of the down channel. There are a few things. It's trading very much in a very typical technical patterns. You can call it Elliott wave. You can call it the wave patterns. But it is trading on technicals. I'm seeing double bottoms here around $3.80. So we have that double bottom. We had previously it was around March. Now we had it early in October. So what I'm looking right now is a significant breakout from this point on, because we have been sitting in this down channel for good 4 months, and it will be really hard for the price action to keep on pushing lower. It will need some momentum. Just like we had a hard time keep on pushing it higher, it will be very hard to keep on pushing it lower. Other thing is there is if I look at the longer picture, there's a wave theory that I can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave can be much higher, and it can definitely go past this number $22 that we had back in April. So if we get this nice uptick with some momentum, we can easily cross $22. And EOS is also getting, on the fundamental, is also getting a lot of benefit from all the biblical that Ethereum went through or going through. So it's also getting some momentum from that. Let's see if they can actually get into actionable things, so that it can actually reflect into the prices. So right now we are in this apex. The consolidation is going on at the bottom of the channel, and this consolidation will break out fairly soon. Okay, if I look at the MACD, so let's look at the MACD real quick. So the histograms are coming it's getting smaller and smaller. So I won't be surprised if we get a move later this week or next week toward the upside in EOS. So all these things technically tells me that there is a better chances of breaking toward the upside in EOS in next week or so. All right, the first level of resistance that we're gonna see is gonna be around $6.76. That's gonna be the first layer of resistance, and then the second one we'll see is gonna be around $7.61. So those are some resistance level that we will face in EOS. we will have to get through a lot of this resistance on the upside. Do remember those things. It's not gonna be like, you know, because previously when these things were just getting out of the gauge, out of the gate, there was no resistance. There was like, you know, there was nothing to there was no resistance or like any gauge to see what is the like ceiling, what is the support. We can still see the support, but there was no ceiling. So it was pretty blue sky, and like prices were keep on getting higher, and people didn't know what is like, you know, high and when it's right time to get like, you know, sell it. So it was easy to push it higher. Now when we are on the bottom of the channel, we will see some resistance going up. The previous support point will act as a resistance. That's the reality. So around $6, that around $6-7, that's going to be the first resistance. Then around $8, that's going to be the second level of resistance. Okay, but it does look like, you know, it do want to like, you know, break toward the upside. The technicals are in the favors for EOS to break out. All right, and if we get a significant volume and the positive market condition, then we can easily take out this 22 high that we made back in April. That can easily happen toward maybe end of the year or toward early 2019. But that is a very realistic scenario for EOS. Okay, all right, so that's pretty much on EOS, guys. It's trading well right now. It's consolidating and it's coming near this apex. It can break out fairly soon, and I think if we have a nice volume and nice positive market condition, then it can definitely take out the 22 in the long term. Okay, that's all for right now. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit those notification and the bell icon. If you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing, then please do give me thumbs up. That really means a lot. Alright, talk to you soon.